Southwest Center Mall is located near the intersection US Route 67 and Interstate 20. Its original owners were the Bartolo family and opened its doors in 1975. Their address is 3662 West Camp Wisdom Road in Dallas, Texas, 75237. Southwest Center Mall, it was and remains the only major one located in the southern half of Dallas. Its original name, Redbird Mall, came from the Redbird area of Dallas in which it is located. Initially, it was anchored by 4 department stores. One of them was Sears, which closed its doors January 6, 2019. The mall did well in the beginning despite its location. As early as the mid-1980s, it began to change dramatically in the areas surrounding it. And at the same time, a perception of crime began to brand the area, so shoppers began taking their business elsewhere. So years ago, my parents used to bring us to this mall. It used to be called the Redbird Mall, which I like that the new owner wants to rename it that way. On the left side, when you would enter the mall, on the left side there was a pizza place, and on the right side was an arcade area where my brothers and me would go play. And then they had different stores at the mall, which they don't have them now. Like one of them, it was Sears, and then JCPenney's, which JCPenney's, the city of Dallas had possession of the space under a 6-month option to buy, which expired on June 7 of 2010, and the building has since been demolished. And then there were some Macy's, which closed down on 2017. There used to be a Dillard's, and that property is it's vacant. They were gonna redevelop it as Fiesta Mundo, but they didn't get to finish it. And also there's a Burlington Coat Factory there, which the Burlington Coat Factory looks like a thrift store. There's nothing wrong with thrift stores. I love thrift stores. I love shopping at thrift stores. But it's just that when you go to the mall, you're expecting a little bit of a higher end, like of shopping. It has, it's just a different feel. And so yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of properties vacant in the mall. It used to be more alive than what it is today. So a lot of things have changed. Yeah. I remember that right there used to be a place where the young people used to come, especially like boyfriends and girlfriends, to take pictures, professional pictures. Says our new Redbird Center opening early 2022. De Bartolo attempted to remodel the mall in 1996 in an attempt to rejuvenate the look. It was then sold to Namco Financial, a California investment group founded by Isri Namvar, who was later convicted of 4 counts of wire fraud. He was sued by his investors, forced to declare bankruptcy, leading to $1 billion in claims from investors. He was jailed for 7 years in 2011. Still active? I don't know if this used to be open or has always been that way.
It's always been like this because you can't see the elevator from the outside.
So far, the mall looks like it has had a rough time. But an up-and-coming Dallas investor, Pete Brodsky, bought the mall in 2015. He is proposing new office space and residential development on some of the mall's large parking lots. It's the retailer component of his project, which he's returning, I love this part, its original name, Redbird. Since Macy's left, only a handful of national retailers are left in aging mall, which currently hosts mostly mom and pop stores, which that's true, I have seen that. Looks like Brodsky has good plans for this mall and the surrounding community. Okay. Is that how it's gonna be in the future?
That's going to be part of that right there. Then we go over this way.
Oh,
I
okay.
think this is going to.
Oh, this is gonna die? Oh, okay. So it's gonna be over there. Will the future be bright for Redbird Mall? Right. We will have to wait and see. Thank you for watching, and thank you to dmagazine.com and wikipedia.org where I got the information. My name is Sandra Carrizales. So next time, be patient for now.